Big Wave Bob, what's an alpaca?
Oh, there he goes, taking a dirt bath. Yes! Signs should be obeyed, but look at all these little sheep. This particular species was genetically modified. This mob is from the Andes region of Peru. They are loosely affiliated with the alpaca clan. These particular sheep are very inexpensive to maintain because they eat dirt. They have a voracious appetite for their own young. What's interesting about this particular species is you can count them, you can wear them, or you can eat them. We're having a staring contest.